Hi there everyone, it's Gloria. So today I wanted to show you something that I made, and I'll show you three versions of it. So these are glue holders. I'm not sure if you can see, the lighting's not the greatest, but it's for holding your Tombow glue upside down. Because I know a lot of times I'm constantly shaking it and whatnot. So I'm going to give you the measurements in this video, and hopefully I have it written down correctly. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a piece of cardstock, and this measures 2 inches by 10. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, and we're going to score it at 9.5. So this light gray blade is my scoring blade. So we're going to score it at 9.5, at 8, at 6.5, which is right there. So that's 6.5, and at 5. Normally I try to do my videos during the day, but we have online learning, so it's been really difficult to sort of get anything done during the day. Well, some days are better than others. If you have young kids at home, you'll know what I mean. Okay, so then our next step is we're gonna take, I also have DSP that I pre-cut. So this larger piece is 1 7/8 by 3 5/8, and then these little ones are 1 7/8 by 1 3/8. So in case you want to look at it here, I wrote it down. So you can pause the video and write it down. And okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to glue this piece down on here. That piece is going to go there. And then this piece is, oh wait, let's see. You know what? Maybe it might be easier to, okay, well, we know this is the piece that we have to punch our hole through. So I'm going to glue this piece down. And the punch that I'm going to use is 1 1/4. Out of all the punches that I've used, that's the one that seems to work the best. I tried 1.5, and that was too big. I tried 1 inch circle punch, and that was too small. So I'll show you what the 1 inch looks like. So this was using a 1 inch circle punch, and I mean, it works. It'll still work, but I found it a little small. But if that's all you have, it will work. Okay, next we're gonna, I'll show you how we do this. We're gonna punch our circle, and here's a little hint about if you want to get your circle in exactly the right spot, use a Post-it note and punch your circle so that part of the sticky is on there. Then you're going to place it on the piece that you're going to be punching it out as a guide. Next, you're going to slide it through there. So now you know exactly where you're going to punch. Ta-da! Nice and easy. That's just a little trick I learned quite a few years ago, and I don't even know where I got that trick from. But, okay. Now we're gonna, and if you want to make one of these and you happen to have the thick Whisper White cardstock, the thick cardstock would be awesome for this. So now I'm gonna put my other DSP over here. And then my last piece of DSP, oh, it looks like I didn't quite cut it. Let's recut that. That looks like, so I just cut that to 3 1/4. So I think that 3 1/4 was a little too much. So I think 1, 2, 3, 3 3/8 I think would have been perfect. So write that down, 3 3/8 for your larger piece of DSP. See, I don't always get it right. I try. But you know what? We'll put it closer to the top, and then that way you won't really know that there's a piece missing. And then you can just decorate it with whatever you want. So I'll show you again my piece. The ones that I did 2 with the paper pumpkin. And then I did another one using the flowering cactus. And this is going to be one of the projects we do for my flowering cactus mega class. So there you go. And there's our finish holder. You're probably going to want to decorate it a little more. But there's our glue holder. So thanks again for joining me and have a good evening. Bye for now.